up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have two more mystery bags that I got from the Diva Bag by Sonya website. The first two mystery bags were super fun. There was a lot of things I wanted to keep, but there were some things I want to give away. So I'm going to do the same thing in this video. I'm going to unbox both of the mystery bags. I'm going to decide what I want to keep, and then I will decide what I'm going to put in the giveaway. So without further ado, let's jump into these two bags and see what kind of fun things I got this time. Okay guys, so here's bag number one, and this bag itself will be going in the giveaway. I do already have one of these bags, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one in the giveaway. Alright, so let's open it up and see what kind of fun things she put in here this time. She is so awesome. I love it. A lip kit by Mary Kay. I'm not really sure what goes in a lip kit from Mary Kay, so I'm going to open it up and take a look at it so I can decide what I want to do here because I'm very, very unsure. Okay. Ooh, looks super fun. Here's what it's like, what it looks like when I pulled it out of the box there. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the lipstick and see what the shade is. I love having tons of different shades of lipsticks. Okay, that's super fun. I think I'm going to go ahead and keep this and the liner as well because I do like the shade, and I don't know, I might have the shade, I might not have the shade, but to be honest with you guys, I just want to try out the Mary Kay lipsticks. So I'm going to keep this for myself, so we'll put that right there. Okay, what is this? It's Tarte. Ooh, Tarte. Brazilians Plus. What is it? Oh, it's a self-tanner. As you guys can see, I'm already have a natural tan that lasts like, you know, all the time. I'm just saying. So this is going to go in the giveaway. I do not need a self-tanner. That's obvious. I'm just saying. So we're going to go ahead and stick that in the giveaway. There's giveaway item number one. All right. What is this? Woo, pretty. Pretty. Oh, what does this say? It's a bold makeup day. Enjoy colorful eyeshadows, fun eyeliners, and even an eyeliner stamp for the perfect cut crease. Bam! Bling it out with fun jewels and an application brush. Okay, she put it on this her little note on this awesome little piece of paper here. That's super cute. All right, so the jewels that I just brought out, I am going to keep these because I do use this kind of stuff around Halloween time for my Halloween looks. So I will be keeping those for myself. Boom. What else do we got? Oh my God, you guys, it is so full. Ooh, I already got this little glow-in-the-dark Let's Party eyeshadow set, so I'll go ahead and put this one in the giveaway because I do already have one. Now it didn't glow in the dark for me, but I'm pretty sure I did it wrong, so hopefully whoever wins the giveaway will figure it out. But I'll put that in the giveaway. That was fun when I got that. Okay, what else do we have? Ooh, okay, that's pretty. Ooh, that is pretty. All right, I'm gonna keep this, guys. This is a NYX eyeshadow palette. I love the pink, I love the purple, and I love the black. I'm going to keep it because I think I can do some really fun looks with this. So yeah, that's for me. All right, what else do we have here? Ooh, piece of candy. I'll keep that. That's fun. Ooh, we have another, it looks like it's some kind of eye brush. All right, I am going to go ahead and not open this up because I will put this in the giveaway as well. I'm very particular about my brushes, and I'm a Luxie brush snob. So yeah, those are the ones that I use. Ooh, I have this cut crease thing. I won't open this all the way, so whoever gets it, you know, it'll be fresh in the bag here. I do have this. I got this in one of her bags already, so I'll put this in the giveaway. I didn't use it yet, but I'm sure that somebody might like to have that. Ooh, this is fun. Ooh, it's glitter. Okay, I'm going to keep this. I'm not experienced in using loose glitter like this, but I'd like to play with it. So yeah, I'm going to keep that for myself. All right, what else do we have in here, Sonya girl? Ooh, that's pretty. What is this? It's glitter liquid liner. Oh, yes, please. That is mine. Look at that. That looks so pretty and so fun. Yeah, I'm keeping this for myself, guys. Sorry. All right, what else do we have in here? We have a gel liner. This one is in yellow. It's a neon gel liner. I got another one of these, but it's green. So now I have yellow, and I'm definitely going to keep it for myself because I like neon stuff. So yeah, I'm going to keep that for me. And then it looks like she has a couple of little Mary Kay samples in here. So I will go ahead and put that in the giveaway as well. Whoever wins this can try out some Mary Kay samplers. Okay, so that was bag number one. Now I have another bag here, guys. We're going to open that up and see what else I'll be keeping and what I'll be giving away. This is fun. Vacation calories don't count. Oh, how I wish that was the case. I am going to go ahead and keep this bag for myself. You guys are going to get the other one. Ooh, oh, wow. Ooh, wow. It's a bold makeup day. She's got another little note in here. Lots of fun colored eyeshadows, eyeliners, mascaras, and even glitter. Bam! Top it all off with colored lashes applied with this dual lash glove and eyeliner pen. Oh, right. And then here's her little paper. I love her little papers. Those are so cute. All right. I'll keep that for myself because I don't know what I'm going to give you guys. Oh, I love this, though. You guys know that I love anything with money on it. I am pretty sure this is an eyeliner. Yeah, it is. This is what it looks like. It's an eyeliner pen. How fun is that? Guys, I want this case. So what I'm going to do, but I don't want the eyeliner pen. I'm keeping the case. I'm sorry. This is mine. You guys can't have that. However, I will go ahead and include this is an eyeliner. I'm not going to open it so that whoever gets it, it's not starting the aspiration process or whatever. This is an eyeliner, and I'm pretty sure it's black. So I will go ahead and include that in the giveaway, but just the pen, not the... You guys can tell me if I'm tacky or not, but I want to keep that. So I'm just saying. Ooh, these are fun. Oh, should I keep these, guys? So I got something similar to this, only it's like an orange set in one of her boxes, and I haven't tried them yet, but I want to. So you know what? And these are blue, and I'm wearing blue this month in honor of Autism Acceptance and or Awareness Month. So I'm going to keep these. So yeah, I'm actually going to keep those. What do we have here? Another setting spray, you guys. Love setting sprays. This is mine. Sorry, you guys can't have the setting spray. I'm definitely going to keep that for myself as well. All right. What do we have here? This is a NYX Baked Eyeshadow. It's, it says ombre, which means black, right? Is that what that means? I don't know. I'm pretty sure. But, ooh, do I want this? I don't know. I like the color. I mean, I really like the color. I might keep this one, guys. So I'm leaning more towards keeping it than giving it away. So I'll probably put it right there. Ooh, we have a Tiana? Tiaya. I don't know. It's a mascara. Here you go. So I got this mascara. And guys, I've been trying a lot of different mascaras. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this one because I've never tried this brand. Sorry. Okay. Ooh, look at this. Oh, this is mine too. It's a Mary Kay eyeshadow palette. I've never tried Mary Kay eyeshadow, I don't think. So I really love these colors. I think they're super pretty. So I'm definitely going to keep this for myself. Again, sorry. All right, let's see what else we can give you guys. Oh, we can give you this creamy coconut with virgin coconut oil. It's a beauty bar. So it's like a bar soap, in other words. I have a couple of these, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one in the giveaway. So there's that. All right, what else do we have? Ooh, this is mine. Look at that. That's pretty for smoky eyes. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. Can you guys see it? All right, no, let me open it because I'm definitely keeping this. This looks so pretty. This is what I'm saying, you guys. This is why I'm being so selfish and opening these up first to decide what I want to keep. Look at that, you guys. Okay, let's give her a try. Oh, look at that. Yes. Okay, that is mine. So sorry. Ooh, we have a couple more glitters in different colors. So I have a pink and a blue. I'm going to go ahead and keep both of those because like I said, I haven't played with loose glitter like this before. So I think it'll be fun for me. Ooh, what do we have? Purple Fairy waterproof eyeliner. That's mine too. And then we got a mellow yellow gel eyeliner. That's mine. What is this? This is another glitter eyeliner. That's mine. What is this? This is a red stamp. I don't think I bought the red stamp. So this is mine too. Oh my God, I'm so sorry, guys. So this is going to be for me, this eyeliner, because it's purple and I think that will be fun to play with. And then I also have a yellow one here. Again, fun to play with, so I'm keeping that. And then I have some fun different colored glitter eyeliner. I don't know what the other color was that I'm going to keep, but oh, it's like a pink. And then I have this stamper that's in red. So I'll open the stamper for you guys because I don't have a red stamper. I have like pink and I don't know, a couple other colors, but I don't have red. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up so you guys can see it. But I'm going to add some more stuff to this giveaway. Don't worry. It's not going to be this puny. Okay. Ooh, there's the red. Let's go ahead and... Oh, that goes on really good. Okay. So this is also for me. Okay. So the stuff in this giveaway is not very exciting. So give me a few minutes and I'm going to add some more stuff to it. Okay guys, before I show you the additional things that I'm going to be adding to this giveaway, I first want to go over some of the rules. First and foremost, YouTube is no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. This is 100% on me, and I'm using items that I purchased with my own hard-earned money. Second, you must live in the United States or have a United States postal address. This is not opened internationally. And third, you have to be subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you will not be able to win. There will be a full set of rules in my description box below. Please make sure that you check that out before you enter the giveaway. Okay, so the additional items that I'm going to add in is this Danessa Myricks Beauty Oil. So I got this in my Ipsy Glam bag, I think just this past month, and I know that I will never use it. I will make sure to wrap this up nice and good for whoever wins so that it doesn't, leak or break or any of that stuff that can happen. I'm also going to add in the Cab Cosmetics Illuminating Dust. Again, this is something I got in a subscription box, and I know that I will never use it, so I'm going to throw that in. Also going to throw in this Shadow and Light Brow Contour Mousse. This was in my last week's video as well. I had gotten it in the mystery bag, but I got this in a previous mystery bag a little while back from the Diva bag by Sonya, and I know that I will never use it, so I'm going to throw that in. And I'm also going to throw in a Spongel. This one is the Winter Rose scent. Now, I know winter is over, but it's still a lovely scent, so hopefully somebody will like to have this. I'm going to throw this in as well. And then because the palette in this giveaway is so super small, I'm going to throw in this, I don't even know what it's called. It's by Isabel Madoya, I don't know. Anyways, Bedoya. At any rate, I'm going to throw in this palette here, okay? I actually have a couple of these palettes because I went on a little spending frenzy and didn't realize I already had some. So somebody else is going to get one of these later on in the month. It has a mirror on it, so I'm going to cover up the mirror and show you the palette. Look how pretty that is, you guys. Oh my gosh, so many fun colors. You can do so many fun looks with this. I will have a video where I do a look with this in the future, but for now, whoever wins this giveaway will get this little palette. I put the little color thingy, protector, whatever it's called, back in there for whoever wins. Okay, so those are all the additional items, and you saw the items as I unboxed what I was going to include. So what do you gotta do to enter this giveaway? You know what? I didn't think that all the way through. So because it is Autism Acceptance and or Autism Awareness Month, and my son Noah, who is 4 years old, was diagnosed with autism in August of 2020, why don't you use the word Noah in your comment below so that will allow me to know that you want to be entered in for this giveaway. Again, the key phrase or key word is Noah, N-O-A-H. Please use his name in your comment below so that will allow me to know that you want to be entered in for this giveaway. Okay guys, so I have to jump in here because I completely forgot to mention how long this giveaway was going to run for. So this giveaway is going to run from today, April 30th, all the way through May 7th, and the winner will be announced on May 8th. Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump back into what I was talking about in the video. That's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have two more. Sorry. Oh, hold on. And man, I know the glare that you're going to get because I see the glare that you get from little plastic. I can't imagine what you get from a mirror. So, oops. So here's what oh my gosh. Let's stop the video and try again.